Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some warm conditions already across the region this morning, seeing temperatures here at Wallops at 82 degrees. We're going to see some hot conditions across the region today, temperatures in the lower 90s for highs. We'll see our dew points in the 60s today, so our heat index will be around that actual temperature, around 90 to 95 degrees for the afternoon hours, so not expecting that near 100 today. We'll have a very slight chance of a pop-up shower or thunderstorm today, less than 15% chance, and that looks like it'll be mainly confined north and east of our area near Ocean City for this afternoon. So looks like just a dry, slightly humid and hot day across the region today, and that'll continue for our Wednesday before we see a cold front sweep through for Thursday. Looking at our sounding from this morning, freezing level at 13,600 feet. Winds out of the west at 20 knots at 1,000 feet, and that is our peak wind this morning. Then with that upper level ridge overhead, see here we have light winds, variable above that, and winds actually turning from the northwest to easterly component at some levels throughout the atmosphere this morning. Taking a look at our current surface analysis, we have fairly clear skies across the region, just a little bit of cirrus cloudiness across the area. Have a cold front that's currently across the plain states, approaching the Great Lakes. That's going to give areas from the Great Lakes down into the southern plains some chances of severe weather today. But overall, across the eastern portion of the United States, Bermuda High in control. We'll have a weak lee trough off the Appalachian Mountains, which is very typical with a Bermuda High in place. Kind of give some areas of the Appalachian Mountains today some pop-up showers and thunderstorms, but all those showers and thunderstorms should dissipate as they approach from the west before reaching Wallops for this evening. So taking a look at our satellite imagery this morning, we do have a little bit of cirrus cloudiness across the region, otherwise clear skies across the area. And taking a quick look at the GFS model for the next few days here, you can see it does bring in some showers, possibility of an isolated thunderstorm tonight, but not expecting that, not much forcing associated with that trough, only a very slight chance of that occurring. So moving to Wednesday afternoon, a slightly better chance of seeing a pop-up shower or thunderstorm along with sea breeze boundary, for tomorrow afternoon. Then once we move into Thursday, we're going to see chances of showers and thunderstorms across the area as we have a cold front approach and sweep through the region. And taking a look at the severe weather outlook for our Thursday, this is from the Storm Prediction Center. The yellow is across the Delmarva, including Wallops. That is a slight risk or a 15% chance of seeing some severe weather across the region. We'll see some slightly better wind field across the region as well as some instability. So looking at that cold front that'll be across the Ohio Valley Thursday morning, sweeping through the region for Thursday afternoon, evening. Also taking a look at the National Hurricane Center has issued a 5-day outlook for a system that's currently across the Yucatan Peninsula. That's going to be moving towards the Yucatan Peninsula, and into the Gulf of Mexico. That's going to possibly produce our first tropical disturbance of the Atlantic season. The next 5 days, they give that a 60% chance of developing. So we'll continue to monitor that. Looks like it should, if it does develop, move across Florida and then off the southeast coast, possibly giving us some more cloud cover across the region for early next week, but doesn't look right now it would impact our weather pattern. So taking a look at our risk chart for today, we'll see a high of 91 degrees today, a low tonight of 71. Winds off the land, and that's going to give us those hot temperatures. Westerly to west-southwesterly this morning, increasing about 7 to 12 knots for the afternoon hours and becoming more southerly once we move in the evening hours. Overnight, we'll see that wind become southwesterly once again, 5 to 10 knots, and by tomorrow morning, we'll see a northwesterly wind with about 5 to 10 knots, across the region. Our terminal forecast, we're going to see VFR conditions the next 24 hours expected We'll have a slight chance of a shower in the vicinity between 1,400 and 1,700 local today, as I mentioned, with that slight chance of a pop-up shower or thunderstorm near Ocean City for this afternoon. As we move into the overnight hours, a slight chance of a shower briefly moving through the region between 1 and 6 local tonight. As far as tomorrow morning, we'll see just a little bit of cloud cover around 10,000 feet, as well as some cirrus cloudiness around 25,000 feet. Our tides are running normal. Looking at Wednesday and Thursday, Wednesday partly cloudy and warm with a slight chance of an afternoon evening shower or thunderstorm, high of 86. Wednesday night, partly cloudy, mostly clear and warm, low of 70. And for Thursday, mostly clear to partly cloudy in the morning, then partly to mostly cloudy with scattered showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon and evening. Some of those storms could be strong to severe, as is highlighted by the Storm Prediction Center for our Day 3 outlook. We'll see a high around 86 degrees. We'll go with yellows for tomorrow's chances of precipitation and lightning. Looks like that'll be around 20%. And for Thursday, we'll see a better chance, looking about a 60% chance of those showers and thunderstorms moving through the region for our Thursday. So the next 7 days, that slight chance tomorrow, around 20%, 6% chance on Thursday. And we'll see those temperatures above normal for the next 3 days. And then we'll see temperatures near normal or slightly below normal from Friday through Monday. We'll see more onshore flow once we move into Sunday and Monday, with that low possibly moving off the southeast coast, giving us some more upper-level cloudiness across the region and some more onshore flow. But overall, looking at more pleasant conditions, not as hot for the weekend into early next week. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing this morning. I hope everybody has a great day today. Back tomorrow morning at 8:15 at 10 a.m.